9%, almost 10% for AMC, guys. A huge jump for AMC on Friday. We have to discuss the price action and the squeeze level that we might have next week. And of course, we have to discuss GameStop because just broke this support at the market open around the 21. So before we go further, guys, remember always our content here for educational purposes only. And of course, you have to know that we always do update on our Discord and Patreon. As you can see here, we do chart update and of course warning for our hunters for main stock that's squeezing like snow when we have huge earnings jumped 40%. We discussed it before the breakout that happened after hours around the 184.40 to we squeeze from there. We did for Dell squeeze over the 327 and we discussed it around the 318 and we went over the 400. We discussed MDB squeeze as well, almost 30%. We did a lot of stocks, guys. So the link comment section below, guys, in description below if you want to join our Discord and Patreon where we do the update and the alert for mini stocks. In the meantime, let us discuss GameStop because it broke this support, guys, the 21.37. However, the good thing is we don't have a huge flush down once we broke the support. So this is show us that we don't have a big seller yet because the seller, I think, went down toward around the 20% level or around the 20%, which is psychological level for GameStop. And the seller now is confirmed that they added their position last time around the 23, almost the 23. Last time they entered here was on the the mid of May, and the price continued to go down. We almost broke from this resistance back in the 20th of May, but the price continued to go down from there. So we have to watch out for the 23, guys. The 23 dollar for GameStop. Next time, if we broke from this level, we might squeeze toward the 26. Otherwise, for now, is continue toward the 20 and maybe the $17. For AMC, on the other hand, looking fantastic for the time being. Why? Because you see what's happened here. We have accumulation here, period, since the 20th of May until the end of May here. We got a huge accumulation for 10 days. And of course, on Friday, we squeezed 10%. And then we pulled back a little bit because we got near the psychological level, the $1.94. So now you might be asking, okay, Jesus, now we reverse. Yes, technically we reverse big time from the almost the 120 until now the 170. So this is a good reaction reversal, guys. This is a really good reaction to see AMC do because technically we reverse in just 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, almost 40%. So this is a big deal. And the good thing, the other good thing is we didn't have the same back then when AMC squeeze, it go down big time or go up like parabolically up. This is not sustainable, guys, for any stock doing that. Just make sure to know, like a rocket, if it go up, it use all the fuel, and after just a few minutes or hours, the fuel will be exhausted, and then the rocket will be in the orbit, and of course will never rely on the rocket anymore because the rocket is a boost of energy that you can sustain in many days. Physics, guys, you can actually have unlimited power in the time being because we don't know if we have another source of power. But in the meantime, it's impossible to have unlimited amount of power to sustain us for this kind of parabolic price action. This has happened exactly in the stock market. We can't have a parabolic price action without losing this action and go down because of gravity. Okay, if we are in orbit, what's mean in orbit? If a stock went into orbit, is like Apple, like Dell, like the big blue chip company, they're already in orbit. So they technically harder to go back and crash down to the ground because they are in orbit. So they actually use the orbit of the Earth, and of course, they're not relying on energy from themselves. So this is came, of course, this kind of analogy respected even in stock market because AMC is still not in orbit. That's why relying on energy from itself, relying energy from the news, fundamental news, relying energy from the buyers and the whales. So that's why we're still not in orbit yet. So what we should expect right now for AMC? For AMC, guys, we have to break the 194 This is the most important level to break in order to have another squeeze up and confirming that we got another buyer toward to $2.46 and the $3.17, because the last leg that we squeezed was from the $1 because the psychological level we did almost 100%. And here, technically, we might do another 60%, not 80% or 100%, but at least 60%. And if we have really squeezed, we might squeeze until the $4 or another 100%. So this is the psychological level or the possible reaction for AMC if we squeeze for the next month of June. At least seeing the $4 will be a good significant move. And of course, the next time if we pull back, we have to hold over the $2 because the last time we held over the $1.17. So this is kind of a consolidation period and healthy way of continuing up to go on the bullish side. It's not going directly to the 10, but go toward the 4, then go back toward the 3 and 2, and then continue to go higher. For now, let me just add one support, guys, for the next week to confirm this reaction, which is around the $1.50. Because if we held the $1.50 for AMC, just from the technical side, guys, this would be really great confirmation that we got a genuine buying pressure and the reversal confirming for AMC. And this time we're gonna have easier squeeze from the $1.94. Even if we pull back, we're gonna hold and go toward the $2.46. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think about the price action for the next month. Are we gonna see the $4, or we're gonna take a bit of time to test the $2 and then go toward the $4 after that? Let me know, comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, at our usual live streaming. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon, the link always in the description below if you want to join. Thank you for watching, and see you all back by tomorrow.